Today was the first esports CMSD tournament. It's the first time that two CMSD schools have come together in a physical location and competed in an esports game. And particularly, they played in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. It was 8 students from Digital Arts and 8 students from John Marshall.
We've played against each other online a number of times, but it's the first time a lot of these guys have gotten to meet each other and actually shake hands and, talk after each match about what went right, what went wrong, or how they can get better, which these players do a lot. That's what makes them so good, is they compete against each other and they talk about how to improve. So playing face-to-face is just a big bonus.
We all had brackets and we all had to go against each other eventually, and after there are a couple of matches between like 4 or 5 people, I came out on top.
The excitement, not only from the students, we had some parents come out and support their child. We had community partners come, and all positive. Even people who knew nothing about esports and knew nothing about the game were excited. Towards the end, when things got intense between competitors, you can tell people who didn't know about the game were still getting hyped.
I feel like it's much more comfortable when your opponent's like right next to you. You just get way more into it.
We knew we wanted to give the kids prizes. Although we hosted, we wanted very much to have Digital Arts feel like this is a group effort. So they took it upon themselves to 3D print 3 different trophies, a gold, a silver, and a bronze. That was a nice little touch.
It's an incentive for these kids to keep their grades up, because we still have the same expectations as a traditional sports team. They're making each other better, they're practicing, they're learning teamwork, they're learning how to operate under pressure and deal with frustration, how to come back from a tough game.
It's all about like focusing and learning like what your opponent's doing and how you can counteract that, and I feel like it's that focus I can put into my schoolwork. Like, okay, so I didn't do this right in this last essay. I can take the knowledge I learned from that and like put it into my next big project and hopefully get a better score.
I teach computer science and I love it. It's awesome. I'm gonna make robots and code and stuff, but the real fun and the real exciting stuff is things we can do outside of school. I had a few players who were bummed out, whether they lost or they weren't able to play, and having those conversations, sitting down with them and like, what are you gonna do? Okay, you struggled today, you weren't able to play, what are you gonna do tomorrow? What are you gonna do next quarter? Those conversations are just, not only do the kids get something out of it, but I also get something out of it, right? It's just a whole new dynamic. It's just so much fun.
This is a great event and we're just getting started, and I have no doubt in my mind that this is going to grow. I know there's a lot more interest. There's a lot of students in other buildings right now that would love to be here, and we're just hoping to make the program bigger and get more kids competing, more kids invested and having fun and doing their best.